Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Brewin Dolphin Wealth Management, my UK investment advice experience. Brewin Dolphin Wealth Management offers personalised investment advice and portfolio management services, primarily targeting individuals in the UK seeking long-term financial growth and security. They cater to a range of clients, from those starting to invest to those with complex financial needs. Key features appear to include bespoke portfolio construction, regular performance reviews, and access to financial advisors. Their website provides details on their various services, from investment management to financial planning. They emphasize a personalized approach, tailoring investment strategies to individual circumstances and risk tolerance. While they don't advertise specific pricing structures online, understandable given the bespoke nature of the service, they stress transparency and building long-term relationships with their clients. This suggests a focus on value over bargain basement fees. They position themselves as experts in navigating complex financial markets, providing a sense of security and stability. You can find more information and contact details on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Brewin Dolphin Wealth Management. Getting started involved completing a detailed online questionnaire about my financial situation, goals, and risk appetite. I was then contacted by an advisor to schedule an initial consultation. This consultation was thorough and helped solidify my investment objectives. The onboarding process was smooth, although it did require gathering and submitting various financial documents, which took a bit of time. Once everything was set up, I was given access to an online portal where I could view my portfolio performance, access market updates, and communicate with my advisor. Navigating the interface was quite straightforward, with clear summaries of my holdings and performance metrics. I particularly appreciated the ability to drill down into specific investments and see detailed information. While there wasn't a dedicated mobile app, the website was responsive and worked well on my phone. Over the past 6 months, I've been pleased with the performance of my portfolio, which has generally aligned with the projected returns discussed during my initial consultation. I had a quick question about a specific transaction, and their support team responded within a day via email with a clear and helpful answer. One standout feature for me was definitely the personalized advice and regular communication with my advisor, who proactively reached out to discuss market fluctuations and potential adjustments to my portfolio. One minor drawback was the lack of real-time chat support within the online portal, which would have been convenient for quick questions. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience with Brewin Dolphin. While it might not be the cheapest option available, the personalized service, expert advice, and solid performance justify the cost for individuals seeking a comprehensive wealth management solution. That's my overview of Brewin Dolphin Wealth Management, my UK investment advice experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.